It's the Mike Stars, the most amazing traveling and baking channel. Hi, this is the Mike Stars, the most amazing traveling and baking YouTube channel. Today we are going to make pumpkin chapatis. Before we start our video, consider subscribing, liking, sharing and commenting. Join us. The ingredients are the mixture of brown flour and white flour, prestige margarine, a fair amount, sugar, 2 tablespoons, salt, 1 tablespoon, a piece of pumpkin, and milk. My hubby is here to help me. Say hi to the people, babe.
Hello guys, it's the Mixer, the co-baker of the helper. Welcome. I'll be alongside my babe as she does this. Top up with some feedings. Welcome and join us. We are going to peel our pumpkin, then chop it into small pieces and boil it. The pumpkins are ready. Now we are going to pound them into a soft paste. Let's do it. The pumpkins are well pounded using a fork. Remember, you can use a spoon or blend the way you wish. So, now let's proceed to the next step.
So we are going to mix all the ingredients and knead them to a soft dough using the milk.
The dough is ready. We are going to keep it for around 30 minutes and then we get into the business. Our dough has heated for over 30 minutes. Let's move to the next step whereby we shall be rolling it.
And it is very soft.
It's very soft. Very soft. So, let's move to the next step. We roll it. We add some oil. We roll again. Just follow up and
for layered chapatis.
I'm an expert when it comes to chapatis. That's my best part. So we shall show you how to make that red chapati with several layers, soft, sweet, quality. After you're done rolling, you put some oil. Fair amounts, and smear evenly all over. Okay, this is my shortcut way. You can use the other method of rolling the small ones, the small bits, but I prefer rolling a big one, then I divide it into small bits. You cut into half and roll. This is the best way to ensure that to give your chapati that soft texture and layers. After this, you roll to the size, to the best size, which is optional, the one you prefer. I don't prefer very big one or the small ones. I prefer the medium ones, so they can cook well and to completion for the best quality. Remember, this is the first piece. I have other 4 pieces. I prepare them and before I start rolling them for the final step. We are done preparing. Now we are in the final step of rolling and cooking. You can show them.
Wow, they look so nice.
Yeah, now these ones are good. Let's cook
and
show you the final product. This one is the smallest, the kahuna kagio, the one that remains. Let's start with it. You know, when there's nothing as sweet as this small chapo. It's always sweet.
What is it called in English?
I don't know, but in Kikuyu we call it.
What the pan?
We can call it maybe the wiper, to wipe the pan, but it's always the best thing to start. You cook, you eat. So you proceed with the rest. Just do it right now. I can't wait to finish and eat it. Now this is the kahuna kagio. For the Kikuyus, you can tell what that is. The starter. The thin small chapo.
The shape is half. Okay, it's ready. You want to first of all taste the kahuna kageos. We are done with our pumpkin chapatis. Here they are. Very nice.
Yes, they look
The
yummy.
color is good. Everything.
Golden brown. Yes, good job.
Let me have a taste and tell you how they taste. You're easy. How are you? Here they are. So yummy. So sweet. Can you have a taste, babe?
Yes, of course. And for good chapatis, you need a good stew. This one is pork and some potatoes. You can prepare any stew of your choice. Let's have a taste. Let me have a taste and confirm. This is good, soft. In fact, you don't need some stew if you just can't take it plain. Well and good. It's very good, soft. No gummy texture. It's just a little bit fluffy. And now, let's combine the stew and get the fantastic, very nice, delicious. Try it out and share to your views. We are happy to end this. I'll come next for another video. Welcome. And as a reminder, we request you to subscribe, like, share, comment. Let's join the big family. Let's be a family and let's do this together. Thank you.